Welcome, and my name is MEIZU M8, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcoming screen, as you can see right over here. So simply find your desired language, which I'll be sticking with English, and from there let's select continue, which brings us to choosing our region. Select US just for kicks of it, and then we have user agreement. So obviously you need to select agree. You can tap right here on the blue text, view the full protocol to basically read the entire user agreement, which you will be agreeing to, which from there it will bring you to network connection. So in here you can connect to any sort of network that you actually have password for, and this will set up your date and time automatically, and in addition it will give you the option to log into your Google account throughout the process. Now if you don't really care for those things, or as an example you can't really connect to Wi-Fi right now, you can simply press on the next and skip it for now. All those settings can be changed later on in the settings. Anyway, this brings us to Google services. So we have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. At least that's how they're called nowadays. But basically what it does is location uses your GPS position to give location to apps like Google Maps. So Google Maps can basically give you an accurate route to your destination if you're using it as a GPS tracking. Now, scanning allows the device simply to scan for signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then sending user and diagnostic data, obviously self-explanatory, sends data to Google based on how you use the device and basically what you do on it, stuff like that. So no thanks, I'm gonna skip out on that one. And from there, scroll down, select I agree, which brings us to the next page, which is Fly Me ID. Now this is basically the real MEIZU's account kind of thing. Honestly, it doesn't really give you much, so I'd probably skip it. Then we have Enroll Fingerprint, which will allow you to simply add a fingerprint. Now the sensor is at the back, as you can see right here below the camera. I won't be actually using it, so I'm just gonna select skip. Congrats, the setting is complete, so let's select get started, and probably should have unselected that one, but anyway, there we go. That is basically the entire setup of the phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.